Are you facing Oracle's new Java licensing rules and a massive unexpected bill? Here's how a global manufacturing company avoided paying Oracle $5 million a year for Java SE without a single audit or penalty. When Oracle changed its Java licensing in 2019, this Asia-Pacific manufacturer was blindsided. Java was everywhere, on thousands of PCs, servers, and factory systems. Oracle claimed nearly every user needed a license, and the cost was staggering. That's when they brought in Redress Compliance. We ran a full Java usage audit and found that most systems didn't actually need Oracle's paid Java. We replaced the bulk of deployments with OpenJDK, a free open-source alternative, and consolidated the few instances where Oracle Java was truly required. Then we went to Oracle with the data. The result? A full Java carve-out. Oracle confirmed in writing that the company didn't need to pay a dime for new Java subscriptions. No retroactive claims, no audit fees, just compliance at zero extra cost. By acting fast and negotiating from strength, the manufacturer turned a $5 million annual liability into permanent savings while staying fully compliant and audit-proof. At Redress Compliance, we've helped over 100 organizations do the same. If Oracle is knocking on your door about Java, don't panic and don't pay before you know your options.